Now we need to find a way of interacting with it and set it like at 4 and all that. But imagine it's keeping it.
So after VacciBox setting in, at least we are unable to immunize on daily basis. We are no longer scheduling. When a client comes, we don't postpone or tell him or her to go back daily. So we are doing it on daily basis. We are sure the range of temperatures we are using are correct, because the fridge tag is there and is monitoring the temperatures are in the right range.
I mean, the fridge is solar powered and it's just reducing the amount of fossil fuels that will have been used to keep vaccines cold, and in turn we ensure that we increase the renewable energy technologies that are being used in the healthcare space.